What's up, guys? It's August 21st, Friday, and we're going to do a little bit of pre-market analysis. So this is what ES is looking like on the hourly time frame. Starting to possibly see a trend here. So we're going to find out what this market wants to do. Are we going to continue this trend down, or is this where we're kind of sweeping these lows and ready to head back up? ES is definitely the weaker indice today, so still hasn't swept out its previous day highs, and we have lots of resting lower liquidity. London low, Asia low, previous day low. For NQ swept its previous day highs, and on the hourly time frame, kind of the same situation. This is the make or break moment to figure out what we're going to do. Honestly, you got a little bit of head and shoulders action right here, maybe. Let me see, ES. Okay, ES broke it. So on NQ on the 5-minute, we took out previous day highs, and there's not any immediate liquidity. I think our next high liquidity is 140 points away. That's not too bad. Let's see what the lower liquidity is. 100, 200, 280. So this could go either direction, guys. We could come down and sweep these London lows. And for ES, maybe ES wants to take these previous day highs, and then we can continue down to these lows. We can do a little bit of retracement here. I haven't really looked at any of this too much. So let's see if we're past this 50% mark. So we're in a premium area, or a discounted area, so we possibly could find a reversal here. Let me see if I can draw this out. This is a good area to figure out what we're going to do. So if we can break these market structure shift on the 1 hour for ES, then we can start seeing this go to the upside. This is the key zone right here. What's going to happen in this area? So if we just sweep this, then have a massive inversion, then we're going to head back to the downside. But it's make or break at this moment. And then for NQ, same thing. Okay, we're going to need a massive market structure shift right here. And this is just this key zone area of, are we just going to take this liquidity out and head to the downside, or are we going to continue higher? And people always forget, we do get new week opening gaps, and you're just wondering, are we ever going to make it back up here? There's tons of liquidity resting up here. And, this would be a pretty good weekend for some Iranian news to drop, so we can gap up before interest rates come in September 19th, I think. And then, maybe we price in before these interest rates come in. So we are at a pivotal moment. Is it going to happen today on this Friday? I'm not sure. Okay, it is very possible because we're only dealing with 100 points either way, 200 points. So keep an eye out for all this. I mean, we're at just looking at this now, actually, we have a breaker block, 1 hour breaker block formation on this 1 hour. So this could be resistance right here, or, maybe ES takes out this previous day high, and then we can continue back to the downside. Making sure I covered everything. All right, so honestly, if we go for shorts today, if we can price in some shorts, I'm going to take ES. And then if we just continue higher and break through, then maybe I can do a continuation model for NQ. But right now, we're going to head towards a sweep of liquidity model, unless told otherwise. So happy Friday, guys. Don't blow your accounts this Friday. You don't have to make $10,000 today, and you don't have to pass your evaluations today. There's always Monday, guys. All right.